Okay, we're going to see about bringing some life back to this old oxidized HDPE. This is the tub for my Hustler 950. As you can see, it's, got a little bit of UV damage. Anyway, I read online about this solution for this, and it consists of a little bit of boiled linseed oil, a little bit of paint thinner, mixed up into a 60-40 ratio. Comes out to this sort of honey color, and then basically you just brush it on, let it sit for a while, and then sort of wipe off the residue, and it's supposed to help with this. We're going to try it out. I tried the heat gun, and it doesn't really do much. I mean, it sort of makes the color come back a little bit, but it really doesn't do all that great of a job. That's the area I hit with the heat gun. So let's try this chemical solution and see what happens. Now, nobody said this was specifically for HDPE, polyethylene online, but they were using it for other plastics, some of which look like it might be HDPE. So I figured it's worth a shot because this ain't much to look at. I mean, it produces a nice instant color change, but whether or not it sticks around is anybody's guess. Ostensibly, I think it's supposed to, the paint thinner is supposed to act on the outer oxidation, sort of heating it up a little bit, and then the linseed oil maybe have some sort of, I don't know, oily restorative benefit, but I'm not sure. But if it works, I'm not going to question it too hard. The body's already been pressure washed a couple times, so, yeah, with soap. So it's relatively clean, it's just that it's got so much UV damage. I should have cleaned some of that caulk or silicone off where that axle goes through. It'd be nice if this sticks around, because this looks like it might have originally been from the factory. Okay, now I'm going to rub on it a little bit and see what that does, because it's what they're doing in the videos. So, now I've done about 3/4 of it, but I left this side untouched just to go back to the way it was and show what the oxidation levels were, or the UV damage were. I don't know exactly which is which, but anyway, if this stays, it'll be great. I mean, I'm fairly skeptical just because it seems like somebody's, made up home brew solution, but this has all been, had the solution applied and then wiped down to dry it. We'll have to check on it tomorrow after it's given an opportunity to dry for a few hours. And then we'll have to check on it after a month and see what it's done. Right now, I don't know. Maybe there's a chance.